So there are some sweets in a bag. 18 of the sweets are toffees, 12 other sweets are mints. Write down the ratio of the number of toffees to the number of mints. Okay, this is how you're going to work this out. So to work out ratio, essentially, what we need to do is, if we add the total number of toffees and the total number of mints to get the total number of sweets, we have 18 plus 12, which is 30. So we say if we have 30 sweets, we know that 18 out of 30 are toffees, and we know that 12 out of 30 are mints. And essentially what we need to do now is simplify these fractions such that we can get it in its simplest form and we have the same denominator on both of them. So 1830, what's that? 18 over 30, what's that the same as? Well, 6 goes into both of them, so we can get 3 over 5, and then here we have 6 goes into both of them again, so we can get 2 over 5. 2, 3 and 5 are all prime numbers, so the ratio of toffees to mints is then 3 over 5. 3 to 2. So this is essentially saying for each 3 toffees we have 2 mints, or for each 2 mints we have 3 toffees. Okay, and the important thing is it says write our ratio in simplest form. If it wasn't asking us to write this in simplest form, we could take 18 and 20 and just put them in here. And then there are some oranges and apples in a box. The total number of oranges is 54. The ratio of number of oranges to apples is 1 to 5. So for 1 orange, we have 5 apples. Work out the number of apples in the box. Okay. So the number of apples in the box. So first of all, what we need to do is work out this part here in the first question, the denominator. So this is essentially saying, no, hang on, let's pause and think about this. The total number of oranges and apples is 54. So the number of apples is 1 and 5. Yeah, so we have 1 over 6 of 54 are oranges, and 5 over 6 of 54 are apples. You see, all I've done here is added the 1 and the 5. Similarly, in this case, we add the 3 and the 2 to get to the 5, this denominator here. So, working out the number of apples, get our calculator, we want to work out 5/6 of 54, which is then just 45.